Welcome to my coffee channel. I am Thomas, and today I am going to show you how to make a iced vanilla latte at home without an espresso machine. So we start with 8 ounces or 1 cup of ice. Then we, instead of using fresh espresso, we're using a very strong cold brew. I made it with espresso coffee. 8 ounces or 1 cup of cold brew coffee, 1 ounce of vanilla flavoring. I prefer Terrain. Use your flavor of choice. And then top off your glass with milk and stir. And now you have a iced vanilla latte at home. Don't need an espresso machine. And then at a fraction of the price that you're going to pay at Starbucks. Hope you got some value out of this video. If you did, please subscribe, hit the like button. Have a great day.